In this video I want to show you how to open the hood of your GMC Terrain or Chevy Equinox. Go on the driver's side, footwell on the left side, and this is the first latch we need to pull. Pull it fully, okay? You can even do it twice just to make sure that it has unlatched up front. And now we need to go there. Now the hood will be slightly higher than usual because there will be a gap, and all you have to do is to go, this is the middle of the hood, slide your finger there, slide your finger, and now simply go towards the left side and you're going to feel a latch right around here. You need to push that latch towards the right side. It will make more sense in a few seconds. So I'm pushing that latch towards the right, and at the same time I'll lift the hood. And this is the latch I was talking about. So you see, if you slide your finger, push towards the right, it will unlock, and this way you'll have access to the engine bay. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, comment also if this was helpful, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.